Hi, today I'm going to make a beetroot and orange smoothie. There's lots of health benefits with beetroot. I've gone for a organic version. Fresh orange and a couple of cubes of ice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut the orange and then I'm going to squeeze the orange into, use a sieve. So, onwards. As you can see, I've just cut the orange. So I'm just squeezing the orange through the sieve to stop any seeds or any bits coming in. I'm just using one orange on this because I'm just doing one glass or just one orange. Next is to pour the orange juice and the beetroot juice into your cup blender or whatever blender you're using. So in goes the orange juice. Next is the beetroot juice. It's up to you how much ice you use or how much orange you use. You could also add some honey as well if you want it a little bit sweeter. And just screw this lid on properly. And that's the ice. Actually, no, there's a tiny little bit. That's the ice all broken up. So next is to pour into the glass. One delicious beetroot and fresh orange juice. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you do differently if you're making this. And also, I'll also detail the health benefits of this smoothie as well in the description below. But let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.